Fans have likened the noise of the emergency alerts going off inside Wembley to a scene in Netflix's dystopian sci-fi series Black Mirror. At 3 p.m. on Sunday, phones across the UK sounded an alarm as part of the nationwide emergency alert test, designed to allow emergency broadcasts and warning messages to reach the public via their mobiles. Fan footage taken inside the stadium concourse ahead of Manchester United's FA Cup semi-final clash with Brighton captured the eerie moment the alarms started blaring, with one social media user branding the noise the most unsettling thing I've ever heard. "That alert in Wembley is proper Black Mirror NGL. Not gonna lie," one supporter tweeted. "That is the most unsettling thing I've ever heard in my life," commented another, while a third said, "I can't believe they scheduled that alert thing on the day of a big Wembley match. I'm a broken man and that's just caused a coronary." Some fans joked the alert was appropriate for Tottenham fans who had just watched their side concede 5 goals in 21 minutes against Newcastle. Supporters walking up Wembley Way looked similarly confused as the alarms began going off, with several of them seen checking their phones nervously before realizing what was going on. United and Brighton are facing each other for a place in next month's FA Cup final, where they'll meet Manchester City, who smashed Sheffield United 3-0 in the other semi-final on Saturday.
Now